Fried rice is one dish many people find difficult to get right. Some cook it and it goes bad that very same day. But today, I'm going to show you the best way to make your fried rice perfectly, flavorful, colorful, and long-lasting. I will also be sharing some helpful tips to help you get the best results every single time. With this recipe, your fried rice will stay fresh for over a week when properly stored in the refrigerator. Good evening and welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. First, I will start by listing all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We will need turkey, which we will season and cook till perfection. Long grain rice. This type is ideal because it stays firm and doesn't get soggy after cooking. A touch of rosemary for that deep aromatic flavor. Green bell pepper, garlic, and onions. I will show you exactly what to do with this later in the video. Your finely sliced onions. Finely chopped habanero peppers for heat. The carrots chopped into smaller pieces for crunch and color. Not forgetting our green bell pepper. Some cooked and chopped liver, which adds a rich and savory taste. Spring onions, finely chopped. Sweet corn. Red bell pepper. Your green beans, which I like to cut smaller for better presentation. And green peas, I'll be using the frozen type. For seasoning, we will use ground curry, ginger, garlic, and oregano. Not forgetting our seasoning cubes, and finally, vegetable oil to bring everything together. Now let's start cooking. In a clean pot, add your turkey. Season it with rosemary, seasoning cubes, oregano, ground ginger, ground garlic, Maggi seasoning, and salt to taste. Stir everything together very well so the turkey is evenly coated with all the flavors. Cover the pot and let it sit for a few minutes before adding water. This helps the turkey absorb all the seasonings. Now pour in enough cooking water. Stir very well. And add your chopped onions. Cook until the turkey is soft and tender. Once it's done, remove the turkey from the pot and set it aside. Next, strain the turkey stock through a fine sieve. This removes any bites or particles, giving you a clean, smooth stock that makes your fried rice look neat and professional. Set the sieved stock aside. We'll need it soon. Now, let's parboil our rice. In a clean pot, pour in your rice, add boiling water, and parboil for a few minutes. This step helps remove excess starch and ensures that your rice comes out firm and fluffy after cooking. After a few minutes, remove the pot from the heat. Pour out the hot water and rinse the rice thoroughly with cold water. Let it drain completely in a sieve. Next, add green bell pepper, onions, and garlic. Add little water. Blend till smooth. Not forgetting our green spring onions. Add it into the blender and also blend until smooth. This will form the aromatic base of your rice. Pour your washed and drained rice into a pot. Add the blended pepper mixture. Your habanero pepper. Stir evenly to combine. And the sieved turkey stock. Make sure to stir generously to combine all the ingredients in the pot. Next, add a little curry powder. Add Maggi seasoning. Add your seasoning cubes. Add more salt if needed. Stir well to combine everything. If needed, add a little more water, just enough to cook the rice. Be careful not to add too much water because that can make the rice soggy. When the liquid has reduced by about 90%, open and stir gently. Cover the pot with foil or baking paper and let it steam until the rice is completely dry. Once done, remove the foil and gently fluff the rice with your spatula. Fluffing helps release heat and stops the rice from cooking any further. Leave the pot uncovered and off the heat. Also fluff occasionally as it cools. In a clean pot, pour in your vegetable oil. Once it's hot, add your cooked turkey and fry until it turns a rich golden brown. Remove and set aside. You can also air fry your turkey if you prefer. Next, in a separate pan, add a little oil. When it's hot, add the chopped liver and fry until slightly browned. Remove it and set aside. Now it's time to fry our vegetables. Add some vegetable oil to a pan, and once it's hot, add your chopped onions. I like to see onions in my fried rice, but you can chop yours smaller if you prefer. Fry for a few minutes until fragrant. Then add in your green beans and carrots immediately. Stir fry for a few minutes, not too long. We want the veggies stay bright and crunchy. Add your sweet corn. Fry for a few minutes. followed by the green peas. Also fry for few minutes. Finally, add your green bell peppers and your red bell pepper. Fry and stir everything together for a few minutes. Then add seasoning cubes and a little salt. Seasoning the vegetables enhances their flavor and gives your fried rice a balanced taste. Stir generously to combine everything. Now add in the fried liver. Mix everything together and stir well. Divide the vegetables into 2 equal parts. Set one aside. To the vegetables still in the pan, add your rice. Stir fry continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes. Frying the rice for 3 to 5 minutes helps it last longer, even up to a week when stored in the refrigerator. It's called fried rice for a reason, so make sure you let it sit on a well-heated stove during this stage. Also be mindful so the rice doesn't burn while frying. This step gives your fried rice that distinct flavor, and it also keeps the grains separate. After 3 to 5 minutes, add your spring onions. Stir very well. You don't need to fry the spring onions for too long. Just stir everything and then you can transfer to a different bowl. Repeat the same process with the remaining rice and vegetables until everything is fully combined. Now, plate your delicious, colorful Nigerian fried rice and serve it with your crispy fried turkey wings. Just look at that, vibrant, colorful, tasty, and sumptuous. This fried rice is so inviting. And that is it, your perfect Nigerian fried rice is ready. All the ingredients used for this recipe are listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Tell us in the comments which protein you love pairing with your fried rice and what special ingredients you like to use. Have a wonderful weekend and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.